Hi, this is Dawn with Paper Ink Cards, and today I'd like to show you a quick tip on how you can get a perfect alignment with your stamp and die sets. Let's get started. So the first thing I do whenever I get a new die, or at least the first time I use the new die, is I take a piece of cardboard. You can also use craft foam. You just want something that's a little bit thicker than a piece of paper or cardstock that you're going to be cutting your dies from. And I cut my shape out of that cardboard. And I keep this negative space. This becomes my template or my guide to line up my stamp. So I'm going to put this into my stamp positioner. I have straight edges there, so I'm going to turn it around that way. And I'm going to take my stamp, and I'm going to find the one petal, in this case, on my stamp that has the deepest notch that will line up with the notch on my cardstock, or my die cut rather. And I'm going to lay my stamp down inside of that negative space. Because the cardboard is a little bit thicker than your cardstock or piece of paper that you're actually going to be stamping on, the stamp itself is going to sit down inside so you can get a nice tight fit, and you know that it's a good alignment with your stamp, as well as your die cut that you're going to be stamping on is going to sit down inside nice and tight. And this is what is going to assure that you get a really accurate stamp. I'm going to ink up my stamp here and show you how this works. Stamp my die cut, and there you'll see, I'm going to pop this out of there, how perfect my stamp is. And if you have multiples to stamp, you do it again. And your stamp with the positioner and with this trick with the cardboard or craft foam, you're going to get the same alignment when you stamp again. I use the cardboard instead of craft foam because cardboard is free. It's recycled. If you have some other product with a thickness to it that will work the same way, great. Give it a try. I bet it will work, and you'll be perfect stamping every single time. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please give it a thumbs up. And if you'd like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.